Good morning, YouTube. Skull Revolver back to talk to you with another round of 7 Days to Die Alpha 13. Unfortunately, the last few times I've tried recording, I've ended up with, well, altering my graphics settings, screwed with OBS somehow. So unfortunately, I've lost a good half an hour to an hour's worth of footage. So just to quickly recap, I had to start a new game. Sorry, had to start a new game because part of the the world generation bugged out. Actually, you can. No, I'm full. Never mind. So I restarted the game in the hopes that this time it won't be, or it'll be functional. Did I get that? Yes, I did. And thankfully, haven't done much as of yet. I just discovered a couple of houses, one of which I just exited from. I'm heading back to the first one I checked out because there are a couple of spots I can't quite break into there yet. Just because my tools are crappy. Yeah, currently I'm more in the need of food. Oh, I did find a few recipes while I was exploring. Just shotgun shells, claw hammer, and leather boots, I believe. But now I'm going to have to start going after some animals. And I need a means of being able to harvest them. Alright, she's going to get up anytime soon. There we are. Oh. Oh, give me a pistol any day. Or better yet, a bloody shotgun would go down nicely. Who's busting into what? Anyway, I'm ready to... Alright, the house that I really want to bust into, I set a waypoint for. There are still some bugs with the world generation, it seems. Take that, for example. That is just horrible. But anyway, right. Sorry, I'm still not used to these controls. Chuck you there. On all honesty, for the moment at any rate, not really going to be using the torch. I'll be doing nighttime skirmishes when I have some better equipment and weapons. Let's see. Ah, damn it. Ammo is of no use to me as of yet. But I would be more than happy to find a ready firearm. Actually, no. You get a fair amount of materials from the... Should plant that later, but for now... Alright. Okay, Okay, they really need to come up with a better way for that, in all honesty. No, that's the... Okay, this may take me a second to... So what? Where does it go, in there, or...? Nope. I'll just chuck it there then. Alright, see what it does. Oh, I see, I see. Okay. So that's how you make it. Ah, righto. Okay, I gotcha. Oh. Why can't I cook it? Oh, I see. Oops. Duh. Okay, yes, retard. I know. See. It's not really going to be much help with that, is there? Huh. Oh, tallow, that's right. Oh, hang on. To pick that up. Something else I thought I needed to pick up. Or did that already despawn because I've been pissing around too long? Either way. Okay. Oh. Okay, no. Sorry, I'm still getting used to the system. Okay, I'll leave those to do that. Really don't want to have to bust that door down. If I can bust a hole in the fence... No, actually I should be... Oh, hello. Those will be useful. Yeah. Oh, it's just some water. Or just a swimming pool. And I've got a crap ton of water. Oh, empty jars. Okay, well I'm going to follow the road for a bit more. See if I can come across anything else of use. Oh, look. Whoa! Missed that one by a mile. Oh. Okay, food. Food is good. Alright, need more stones and wood. What did I bloody hit? Huh. Took a second. I may find a use for them. I go. No, I keep the wrench. Not much durability left to it, but I can use the iron. What was it? Oh yeah. Eat that, that'll put me up a bit. There's almost no value in killing any animals until I can actually skin them. Hold still, miserable. I was gonna say. Oh. I better drink something. Hang on. But it's not so much the rocks I need, I just need a crap ton of wood. And so I just happened to notice that there were trees over here. I suppose when it comes to needing supplies for weapons and ammunition, I should be fine. Oh! Oh, a bloaty. What the? Okay, I know my aim's not that off. Son of a... Ah, shit. Two's gonna be cutting it. Shit. I'm dead. Here's hoping this was worth it. Yep. Nowhere near enough to heal. And I'm infected, which means I've got a couple of days. So I should probably make with the, no stamina. Alright, I'm going to need as much cotton as I can acquire. Wood would be a good idea. I'm going to need plenty. Alright, that should do for now. Okay, no longer sick. What I should be doing is making as many arrows as I can. Down to 3. Seemed like a good idea that I keep moving then. Okay, some cars. I really don't need him suddenly turning around and attacking me. Oh, that's right, I have skill points. I still need to spend. That's right, yeah, I level. Alright, give myself until about 1700 and then I'll have to head back. Somebody's smashing up some stone. Lootable cars are good. And as always, spam crafting arrows is still good for something. I'm gonna need to make another bow and another club soon. Lead. Lead car battery, that's good. What I really need is some cotton, so I should probably make at least one of those into seeds. Oh, hello. No, I just need the parts. Rotting flesh, yeah. Not that desperate for food. Oh, look. Ah, damn, I thought I saw another house. Right. I think that would be much more appropriate. Oh, yes, cotton. Excellent. Now I can make a sleeping bag. Uh-oh. Crawler. Oh, period. Oh, that's right, I used them all. Stitch that. Alright, now I can at least make a bed. That looks like coal over there. But making gunpowder is pointless at the moment. Oh, I better run back to base. How much cotton have I got? 12, that's just not enough. I think I need about 8 if memory serves, so I'll just grab as much as I can. Actually, let's grab the goldenrod. A couple of goldenrod teas with any luck should at the... Was that another bloated? I'm going to cut through some forest and hope like hell I don't end up regretting... Oh! Off the beaten track. Alright, I'm going to have to check that out at some point. Really shouldn't have stopped to do this. But I get the feeling that may have been... That still could have been worth it. Alright, if I can quickly bust down the fence and fill up those jars of water before darkness, or night, and I'll be most happy. Now I just need to be lucky enough to find a nurse with some antibiotics on them. And I'll be dandy. Oh, stop whinging. Okay, still got a couple of hours, that's good. Oh, that's a point. Let's make a door. I need more wood again, I didn't collect anywhere near enough. If I can put even 2 doors would be good. As far as I'm aware, there was only a crawler nearby. Okay, that one is very liable to spot me. Just keep walking. Now, if she spots me, she spots me. There we go. I'll make that door later. This one's only that one's only a secondary requirement. It's more the nice little gap I made right here. Oh, well, that's just a pain in the ass. Okay, so for tonight, I'm once again without a door. Hmm. Okie dokie. Alright, better eat these. I'll find some more food tomorrow. At least now I can bring myself up a bit. Alright, flag the tallow moment. Let's do the bottle first. Get the egg. Oh, okay. Well, I'd better call it here, guys. Like, comment, subscribe, the whole yada yada yada, usual thing. Constructive criticism in the comments if you've got any. I'll try and bring some mates over. Can't remember if I mentioned it or not, but the my file conversion problems I have sorted, so Don't Starve Together should be up sometime soon as well. And yeah, sorry for the chunk of gameplay you guys missed, and I'll catch you in the next one.